Welcome to our quick room tour at Park Hyatt Dubai. So we are so lucky to be upgraded to a suite room. We got the living room, very nice room. The welcome gift basket, fruits, and we have the office on that area. Oh, and I think we have a surprise birthday cake for my wife, her 50th birthday. Look at that, with flowers and a bottle of wine. So first is the bar area with the unlimited Nespresso, bottled water, tea, coffee, and we have a bathroom here for the guests, sink. We are a Globalist member, so we were upgraded. We just booked a standard room for 40,000 points per night, and we were upgraded to this beautiful suite in Park Hyatt Dubai. So we're going to the master bedroom. Very nice design. The bed looks so comfy. That's the living room. And chair in the corner. And this is an amazing view of the Dubai Creek. And from here, you can see the Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure in the world. And later on, we're going to witness the beautiful sunset. We got a nice view because we have an overlooking, in the terrace we have an overlooking infinity pool, and this is really beautiful. We got a right good spot here, so we're gonna swim there and enjoy the amenities later. Okay, back to the quick tour. To the master bathroom. We got a nice big cabinet here. Here's our luggage and our bags. And look at this nice white tub. Beautiful. And we have the double sink, his and her sink. And by the way, this door or this window can be open and you have an overlooking master bedroom and go straight to the balcony with a nice view. Let me see if I can open it. There we go. There we go. That's good. Very nice. And then this is our luggages. We have the safe here and some drawer here, slippers, and some laundry bags. And we have the separate bathroom and shower room. Product here, I don't know what's there. Let's see. This is their own product here. Botanical. Very nice. This is our second time in Park Hyatt first time we stayed in Park Hyatt, New York. This time is in Park Hyatt Dubai, celebrating my wife's 50th birthday. We got 2 robes, and as a Globalist member, we can request for an early check-in and late check-out as late as 4 p.m. And we have free breakfast in the morning, and we have free bottled waters, and I think going back to USA mainland is we have to have a COVID test, so they have a free COVID test here 4 hours before our flight, so that's good. So that's it. That's the tour of our suite. We are so excited to enjoy this beautiful property. Till next time, bye bye.